And welcome back. This is a knife that is featured in one of my previous videos. I have made it in the workshop fireplace, so we will try to test the hardness of this 52-100 ball bearing steel, or whatever steel was in these ball bearings. This is manufactured by FUG. It was from BMW, so we will try to test the hardness of this blade. So stay tuned for the test.
We have 59 Rockwell on this knife.
It has been tested. You can see the point here the diamond has made, and it has a pretty good hardness. This was quenched in oil, and it has been tempered. It has been mildly tempered, and this part was grinded off. Usually somebody would test right on the edge, but this part has been pretty much ground off, so you cannot test on the slanted surfaces, as I don't have the blocks that would support such a test. So I'll be making a new video soon. I will make a completely new blade, and I will use one part of it just for the test, one extra part that will be tested. We could get some exact measurements. So stay tuned on my channel and subscribe if you like the channel. Take a look at other videos, designs, and see you next time. Bye.